This is Joy, Everything Diamond Painting, and today I'm going to begin a series of unboxings. Everybody's been looking forward to this. I'm going to be starting off with the first paintings I've gotten that I haven't shown yet or haven't completed. These are all in my stash. These first few that I'm going to show you that I got at the beginning of my diamond painting journey, I've unboxed them, but I didn't do anything with them yet. So this is going to be like an unboxing. I'm going to go through the drills and such. So anyway, to start off with, this was before I learned all about diamond painting and artists and all that. So what I'm showing today are things that I just found on Amazon or websites that were showing up on my Facebook that I ordered from. So let's begin with this one. I think I ordered this off an Amazon site called Rainy Day Diamond Paintings, and I'll open this up. I'll take this was a double-sided adhesive, and I had learned that you take the tape off, the double-sided tape off, and put release papers on it. Well, I first tried to do parchment, but that kind of stuck too much to the painting. This is a real sticky one. So I ended up putting release papers on it, and didn't want to deal with the double-sided tape. So anyway, these are the drills, so I'll put those aside. And I'm going to go ahead and undo the release papers here so that you can see the painting. It's very, very sticky. I have recently just done a painting like this. It was one of my first paintings again. It was my Victorian looking lady, and it had the same type of drill circles on it. And I will eventually do this. I'll get it done. I try to do them in order as I get them, but it really hasn't worked out too well because, events come up and I want to do a particular diamond painting with that event, and so forth. So anyway, this one is a scene of Paris, and I really got into umbrellas, red umbrellas there at the beginning. And I don't know if you could see this, but that's what the painting is going to look like. And what attracted me to this was the red umbrella and the couple hugging. And I said, well, that could be a younger me and my husband. And the doggy right there. Since we have a black dog, I thought that would kind of blend into our family home here. So that's the reasons why I picked this one. As you can see, it's not really clear drill field, but I suppose it'll come out looking nice like my other ones did. It's got 26 colors in it. This is the drill field. Pretty clear, huh? Look at that. Or the legend, I should say. This is the legend. 26 colors, and here's the drill field. So it's clear, but it's got all those training wheels around it, like a lot of the Amazon paintings do. So, you could see that, and it's a round. Thank God it's a round. And that was before I really explored rounds and squares. So there's the doggy there. And we have a black doggy. Anyway, so this is one of my first ones, and I'm sure I'll eventually get it done. It's a DIY, like a lot of them are that you get off of Amazon. And it's a 30 by 40, and it has 26 colors. So that tells you right up there. It's only got one legend on this side. So 26 colors, that's a pretty fair amount. All right. And the canvas, it's, you know, normal canvas. It's nice enough. I usually seal these, and then they become a little firmer, and then after the drills get on. But it's sticky, very sticky. Okay, so that's number one. So let me put these back on here real quick, and I'll get to the next one. So yeah, I'll be doing this just because I like diamond painting, and because I have it, and because I bought it. Now, all these paintings that I'm going to show you in my stash, they're all paintings that I have purchased. So I have to get over the feeling that I'm doing a review, because I'm not. I'm just showing you what's attracted me and how my mind works when I do a diamond painting. So this is the drills that come with it. Now, I did mark in here the number at the top of the page here, so I know, okay, it's your standard drill. It's got your pink pen, and this one, I don't know, they don't mark these placers, so I'm not sure. Probably a 7, maybe an 8, I'm not sure. And it's got your typical brass tip on it. Okay, so your plastic diamond painting tip. And your green boat with a square of red wax. The see-through kind, so it's not as good as some, but it does. I use these green trays a lot for trash, or putting my sealant in when I'm sealing a painting. So there you go. There is the drills. Okay, now let me move this out of the way. Well, no, I'll leave it here because you'll be able to see the painting. So let me get this open and we can look at the drills on here. And these come in baggies. I'm surprised because this is a rather older picture, which before they started putting things in baggies. So we got some nice colors here. Yeah, the greens and grays. So I'm hoping that this is the right, yeah, a lot of grays. And, you know, I matched them up with the painting, so I know they go with it. So anyway, these are pretty drills. The red umbrella, orange shading there. We got the black doggy. And for being an Amazon, the drills look pretty nice. So these are number 18 or 939s. 939s. These are 823s. They look pretty good. And these will be for the umbrella. Oh, the 666 color. The umbrella. And here's a nice little burgundy color, so I guess they blend that in too. Okay. So as you can see, I have my work cut out for me on these. Okay, so I'm going to put this one aside and we'll go on to the next one. Hold on just a moment. Okay, for my next one, this is another, this is a painting that I first heard about on Facebook before Diamond Art Club started to advertise. This is from VizuArt. This was one of the advertisements that got me into diamond painting. So it's got a little legend up here, just a small one. And let me take the plastic off of that. And let's see if it'll focus on there. That is the picture. Now, I've seen pictures like this or this picture around the internet. I'm thinking it's a stock photo. I searched up it and I didn't see any artist attached to it, so I think it's just a stock. And it's sticky. And the canvas is a regular old canvas. There's nothing real distinguishable about it. But it is a poured glue, which is nice. So I guess I should get to this one pretty soon. Okay, so we can take a look at the drill field. Let's see if that'll come in clearer. Let's see here. There we go. See if my camera will, there we go. So this one is a square, I think. I'm gonna have to look at the drills because I did that once before. I saw squares for the pictures and assumed it was the square. But very clear drill field. So VizuArt is doing good there. Okay. And this is the bag of drills that came with it. It's roses. And I like roses. So that was the other reason why I picked this, because it's roses. So I got a lot of roses in my garden. And there's some blue in there. You can see some blue and some gold. Okay, so let's open up the... Okay, and then you got your standard toolkit, wax, same type of pen, green boat. Okay, that goes there. This one came with a packing slip. So this is nice. Okay, so maybe we get a clearer picture of what the roses look like on here. Is it going to focus? Let's see. Will it focus? Sometimes this camera does really good at focusing. Sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, that's kind of what it's supposed to look like. There's 25 colors in here. And this is what the legend looks like. It's only one legend. It's in a really tiny one. So will the drills... there we go. 152, 225. So there we go. Kind of dark, you know, colors. There's some reds and some blues in there. Some golds. So let me, can you get the whole painting in there? There you go. And let you see the whole thing there. Alrighty. I don't know if there's anything more I can mention about this. It's nice and smooth. Now this has been sitting around in my stash since the very beginning. Let's get some drills open here. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to go ahead and get this open. Now these come in the regular standard bags. And I like the other thing I like on the packing slips is it tells you how many drills are in here. In case you have to call a company or contact them and get a replacement, you know exactly how many drills are there. And it's a 40 by 40. It doesn't say that anywhere on the painting here. Doesn't say anywhere on the painting, but on here I just noticed that it said it was a 40 by 40. So weird how some of these are packed so different than others. You'd think that there'd be a standard way of doing this stuff. I don't know. I'm going to take a drink here. My mouth is really dry. Okay. So, let's see what kind of drills we got. Yeah, they are square. Okay, these are square. And it's number 499. There's the red, and there's kind of a coral or mauve color. Everything, there's a little bit of 310s in here, or this is a bag of 310s. There's some pretty, and there's tans. So you can see that kind of goes along with the picture. Let's see what these look like. I know you guys like to look at the drills. So, this is a whole big line of them here. Okay. 3865s, and we got 3864s. I got tans. I'm not going to read them all off to you. Tans. We've got some more tans, some more corals. Oh, colors of the rose. There you go. More tans. Yeah, it's gonna picture. Ooh, my favorite color, dark plum. I like that. That's 902, 898. So anyway. Oh, here's a really pretty bright pink. 819, 758, 543, and 606. Nice bright red there. Okay, so that shows you all the drills on that one. So for doesn't even say, did I say how many? Yeah, there were 25 colors in here. Okay, so we'll put this one aside.
Okay guys, that's the end of part 1. We got more coming up. Be sure to click like, be sure to subscribe and do all that. Alright, thanks guys, see you later.